to the channel. Hit the like and subscribe button, and thank you for watching. So we have a couple of news that we got this last week and one big announcement today. So it looks like Tesla Model Ys are being spotted coming out of Giga Texas. So what does that mean? So at the current moment, the cars that we are seeing are Model Y Performance, and it's about 8 of them loaded on a carrier leaving the factory. So some deliveries scheduled within the next couple of weeks or a month might be getting the Giga Texas Model Ys, and that would include the new battery 4680s, since that was stated that those will be the first ones with that battery pack and the structural design. So here's a little bit more of the pictures that you can see those vehicles. There have not been any long ranges seen yet, other than the ones that were built and just sitting there with the upgraded wheels and the aero wheels, both designs. But right now the biggest ones that we're seeing is the Model Y Performance, and we can go a little bit further. The other thing that we can see is the Cybertruck. So the Cybertruck prototype has shown up more within the aerial vision, so the drone footage itself that's been taken, and here it is. So the Cybertruck has been spotted multiple times over the last month, right before the earnings call, and the changes were there, and were plenty of changes. Now you can see that they changed the wheels. Doesn't have those specific caps on. I don't know if the final version will have it or won't. We also see that it has the windshield wiper. It was a big windshield wiper. This one drove or flew really close around, spotting the vehicle, but we can see that huge windshield. We can also see on the dash that it might have the front display in front of the steering wheel, and one in the middle, so similar to the Model S and the Model X. And we can see that the bed is currently plastic. So that's the Cybertruck prototype. We'll be keeping an eye on more details coming that direction, but we are seeing more and more images, and they are testing the vehicle. We know that it doesn't have any handles to open the door, but it does have side view mirrors. Now I wonder, per Elon Musk's tweet, if we can remove those, but it does have to ship with them per laws. Now the other thing that we see is thousands of castings in the facilities. Again, more of the images coming from the drone footage. We can see more and more casting in the Giga Texas facility. This means that they are pushing the production much faster, and seems like it's going pretty quick. It's a structural pack, so that's something that Elon mentioned in a tweet. We'll check in a moment, but we're seeing more and more push from this facility, and it's going to be a big one. Now, how will it impact the pricing of the Model Ys compared to the Fremont and the Austin build? Will there be any changes or any challenges? The only thing that's been noticed right now is that on Tesla's website, once we go to the Tesla's website and check the Model Y, there's a difference that popped up. So when we go down here to the information, we can see that the Model Y specs for the performance and long range slightly adjusted. When you look at the image, the long range now shows the matrix headlights, and I'm wondering if the Texas build will get that, and that'll be very interesting to see. The other thing is that the weight has changed. It's gotten a little bit lighter, and as you can see, the performance already has the lights. This is the only one that comes with the matrix lights in the Model Y build. The Model 3 has it. Now the weight is very close to the long range, but that's a big change. No change to the range. Let's see if the 4680 will have that impact. And when it comes to the Tesla build, this is what Elon mentioned. That was a tough one. New Model Y structural pack is next level though. So seems like 4680 will be a big game changer, and their new design, but we have to test that out. We'll see if we can get any more information over the coming weeks, and if we can get a VIN number representing the Texas build, and that way we know that they are out in the wild, and then we can compare more. If you guys like this information, hit the like and subscribe button, put some stuff in the comments, and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.